Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Todoist filters for goal-focused daily planning. Detailed guide step by. To activate Todoist filters for goal-focused daily planning, start by opening the Todoist app on your device. Log into your Todoist account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the left sidebar, where you can see your projects, labels, and filters. Click on the Filters section within the sidebar. To create a new filter, click on the Add Filter button located at the top right corner. In the filter creation window, enter a name for your new filter that reflects your goals. Now, it's time to define the filter query. Consider which tasks you want to focus on, such as those tagged with specific labels or due dates. Use syntax like at label to filter tasks by labels or today to include tasks due today. You can combine queries using commas, such as today, at work to show tasks due today that are. Once you've set your filter query, click on the Add Filter button to save your new filter. Your new filter will now be visible in the Filters section of the sidebar. To view your goal-focused tasks, click on the newly created filter. Take a moment to go through the tasks that appear, ensuring they align with your daily goals. Adjust your filter as needed to better fit your planning requirements. You can always refine the filter query for more precise task management. For instance, create additional filters for different areas of your life, such as personal or educational tasks. Make it a habit to check your filters regularly to stay aligned with your goals. Modify your filters periodically to accommodate any new projects or shifting priorities. You're now set up to use Todoist filters for effective and goal-oriented daily planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.